I'm here with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, back again, and we are talking about fruit, easy fruit recipes and desserts. Today we have a very special dessert, kind of an Icee. I've never seen us do anything like this. A soy milk strawberry Icee. How good does that sound, Charlene?
Well, and it won first prize from the dessert competition for the Heart Healthy Recipe
We
contest.
want to give a shout out to Margaret Miller. She won first place for this, and we're about to understand why.
That's right. And it was for last year's contest, 2017, and they can go to our website and link to the contest rules for this year, and you can pre-enter by August the 15th.
So there's still time.
There's still time. That's right. So what we have in here is 3/4 cup of frozen strawberries that we pureed, and to that you're going to add vanilla and maple syrup. Yeah, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then we have 1.5 cups of vanilla soy milk.
Okay.
You'll just add that into our blender.
Watch
this is
the
an
splash.
easy way. You're doing great.
Thanks,
Look at
Charlene.
you. This is such an easy recipe to do. Put all that in there, and then we just want to mix it up.
Blend it all up. Now, how do you know when it's done? Just a few seconds?
Yeah, just until, because your strawberries, we pureed those ahead of time, and then just do the rest of the ingredients. And you can kind of look in there, look and see how that's all mixed up really good. From that point there, we're going to put it into, I like to use like a 5 by 9. This is just a loaf pan. Put it in there and freeze it. And it's going to be about 5 hours, and just freeze it till it's hard. And then you see how we're going to do that, and that makes that
the Icee.
Makes the Icee.
How cool
makes
is
for
that?
your dessert. And I'm going to give you some here that you can try. But oh, you don't want that foil there.
No
Got
foil.
down just a little bit. There we go. Put that in there.
And how cute is the strawberry on the side there? You can decorate it with whatever other kind of fruit you'd like.
You try that.
Okay,
and
here
see
we
what
go.
You think.
See how well we did. And how easy was that? So
Easy.
quick, Charlene.
And so refreshing to do that. And you know, taking Margaret's idea, you could do this with peaches, you could do this with other fruit this summer, and have an Icee, but such a healthy, easy dessert recipe to have.
Great recipe on a hot summer day. Cool you off a little bit.
Cool you off,
I'm going to
that's
have
right.
the rest of this, Charlene, if you don't mind.
That's great.
Okay, where can people find the recipe, Margaret's recipe?
At kansassoybeans.org.
And don't forget, you can still enter the Kansas State Fair. They can go to your website as well to do that.
And they'll get a link to the Kansas State Fair entry information.
All right, thanks so much, Charlene. We'll be right back.